What's up, guys? Back with another video. This time, I know my last video was me putting on the blast pipe, but this thing is so damn loud. I went to a meet last night. I'll probably cut some clips in here from last night, but holy cow, it was just obnoxiously like loud. Cops were everywhere, man. They swarmed the meet. I personally was very afraid of getting pulled over because this is an easy state ref. And I was doing the Limbo competition, and I'm not gonna lie, I had the loudest car there. Did it feel good? No. It sounded like absolute poo-poo. You hope so. Shit, man. My feet are gonna get... You gotta go up! Yeah, we're good, man. Shit. Sheesh. I just don't think RX7s are meant to be straight piped. Unless they absolutely need it. In that case, like, the only case that would be applicable is if like it's 4 inches all the way back. This is a 3 to 4 inch adapter, so it's just for show and looks and sound. Maybe if the car is like running extremely high boost, or I don't know, something like that, then maybe it would need like a full flowing exhaust like that. But that's a very top 0.01% of RX7s that would ever need that. All right, guys, blast pipe for sale. No, I'm just kidding. But actually, one of my subs last night, or subscriber, came up to me at the car meet, and he was like, "Hey man, if you ever want to sell your wing, this tail wing, let me know." I guess he had a Montego blue wing. So if you're watching this, I will start posting, like, if I ever sell anything off my FD on my channel. I didn't know I had RX7 viewers. I didn't know I had FD owners that watch my videos. So I'll start posting maybe the stuff through my YouTube, so that way my subscribers, anyone that watches my videos, can get first dibs if you have an RX7, which is, I'm assuming it's a pretty small percentage because there's not a lot of RX7s out there. But yep, this is for sale if anyone wants it. She just pulled up to the spot, bro. Oh my god, it is. We got Ethan, and we got Griffin, and we got Adam, and Patrick somewhere, and Nathan somewhere. But holy cow, dude, there are so many. Yeah, dude, let's... they're not part of it. Yeah, they're just here for groceries.
Well, they're just here for their secrets. I have the best I have the perfect alibi for leaving today.
Really? What is it?
Truck.
Oh, truck?
Truck.
You got a truck? Hey guys, it's Suchi here. After reviewing these clips and while I'm editing, they look like absolute poo-poo. I had it on 30 frames per second. I don't know if I doubled the shutter speed. Maybe that was the problem. But I need to mess around more with my settings on my Sony camera because this footage looks so choppy. So I'm just gonna stop my footage here. I had some more stuff, but it just looks like garbage. So I'm just gonna use Adam's clips. He has a much better camera than mine. He has like an A7R, so his clips came out a lot better.
It was too loud.
Too loud?
It was too loud, man. It was way too loud.
You hope so. Shit, man. My feet are gonna get... You gotta go up!
Yeah, we're good, man.
Shit. Sheesh.
Are you gonna make it?
No, dude, it's too low. Actually, it's too low, dude. Fuck. We need someone to
No, we can do it. We got it.
Sure?
If the Miata can do it, we can do it.
Wait.
Okay, Rainbow Lights, I see you.
Oh.
Okay.
Shit.
Good, bro.
Rubber fluid hit my arm.
Eric, what happened?
Currently stuck in the Limbo challenge. And my key torqued it and it snapped, so I can't get the key in the ignition. So now I'm just stranded here and I don't know what to do. This guy's gonna beat me anyway. Doesn't matter. He's fucking low.
We need to find someone to get
Yo, a Z3! Jeez! Oh, Eric, you made it!
I made it. Shit.
The FD can't be stopped.
Holy shit.
Night
Burn? I think his spot's burned, bro.
Yeah.
Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet.